The journey to creating high-end export furniture begins with absolute meticulousness in the final assembly area, where the air is always filled with the distinct aroma of natural wood and the intense focus of skilled craftsmen whose hands have been seasoned by years of experience. Here, the work is not merely about assembling disjointed parts but is a process of precise mechanical fine-tuning, as craftsmen use specialized center point drills to create pilot holes, ensuring that when installing hardware accessories such as soft close hinges or drawer slides, everything achieves sub-millimeter precision to create perfectly smooth operation according to international standards. Each drawer is gently pushed to test its self-closing capability without producing any noise or vibration, followed by the fixing of aesthetic details like chrome or brass-plated metal handles that are rigorously checked for surface shine before the craftsman uses a hand screwdriver to feel the exact amount of torque needed to secure them without deforming the wood fibers. Once the product's form is complete, a brand label or laser-engraved logo is solemnly and discreetly attached to the bottom of the product as a commitment to its superior origin and quality, officially marking the birth of an entity that carries the factory's prestige. Immediately thereafter, the product is moved to the quality control (QC) area, where a team of experts under high-intensity LED lighting scrutinizes every joinery line, the smallest scratch, or any slight discoloration in the finish to ensure perfection before using microfiber cloths and specialized cleaning solutions to wipe away all fingerprints or industrial dust. When the product has achieved maximum aesthetic perfection, a multi-layer protective packaging process is implemented as a technical feat aimed at resisting humidity and impact during a month-long transoceanic journey. A thin layer of PE film is wrapped first to isolate moisture, followed by a thick layer of EPE foam or bubble wrap to neutralize impact forces, along with hard-pressed paper corner protectors reinforced at the most sensitive positions like table edges or cabinet corners. Each product is placed into a custom-designed 7-layer carton box to ensure no excess space remains, with an instruction manual and hardware bag securely fixed inside, and then all boxes are stacked onto wooden pallets that have undergone heat treatment and fumigation according to international ISPM 15 standards. To connect dozens of boxes into a solid, unified block, a stretch wrap process is performed in multiple layers from the pallet base to the top, creating a powerful bonding force that helps the shipment stand firm against the swaying of ships in the vast ocean. On each pallet, a shipping label with the proud words, "Destination, USA," and an identifying barcode is clearly pasted, marking the shipment's readiness for the most crucial logistics phase. At the finished goods warehouse, forklifts under the skillful control of drivers begin the loading process, lifting each pallet gently to place it into a 40-foot container waiting at the bay according to a loading plan pre-calculated to optimize space. When the final package is stabilized in its position, the heavy steel doors of the container are slammed shut, and the most critical moment is when the security bolt seal with its unique identification number is firmly locked. The click of the seal is not just the conclusion of the internal production process but also a confirmation of the security and integrity of the goods from the factory until they reach the international consumer. Amidst the vast expanse of the production plant, workers and management exchange proud high fives, watching the container truck slowly roll out of the factory gates under the brilliant sunset, carrying not just exquisite wooden pieces but also the aspiration of Vietnamese craftsmanship on the global trade map, where every product serves as an ambassador of dedication, prestige, and sustainable quality over time.
The surface quality is excellent. Agreed. It looks good. Ensure the pressure is evenly distributed. Tighten it until it's completely secure. See how stable that makes the joint?
We use this technique for precision hand sanding in the crevices. Apply firm, controlled strokes until the surface is perfectly smooth.
The final inspection checklist is complete, sir.
Excellent work. Everything seems to be in order. I'll sign off on this now.
Inspection complete. All parameters passed.
Approved for release. I'm checking the reflection on this edge here.
It looks clean. The gloss consistency is uniform across the whole piece. We got it done! We got it done.
Great work.
Welcome to our factory. We're glad you're here.
Remember, quality and safety first. By maintaining these standards, we ensure a safe environment and deliver precision workmanship every time.
For precision hand sanding in tight spots like this, use short, controlled strokes. This ensures an even surface without rounding the edges.
Okay, bring it to a stop right there.
Got it?
Got it.